Welcome, dear listener. As you prepare to embark on a soothing journey, allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. This story is a gentle escape into the simple, tranquil life of a cat by the ocean, where the sound of waves, the warmth of the sun, and the love of a devoted human create a world of peace and contentment. Before we begin, let's take a moment to fully relax your body and mind. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily, letting each breath bring you deeper into relaxation. Start by focusing on your toes. Wiggle them slightly, then let them relax completely, feeling any tension melt away. Let this sensation of relaxation move up through your feet, ankles, and calves. Your legs grow heavy and warm, sinking into the surface beneath you. Now, bring your attention to your thighs and hips. Allow them to soften and release any tightness, feeling the warmth and relaxation spread through your lower body. Next, focus on your abdomen and chest. With each breath, feel your muscles loosen and relax. Imagine a wave of calm moving through your torso, easing away any lingering stress. Let this wave of relaxation flow up into your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands and fingers. Feel your shoulders drop and your arms grow heavy and warm, completely at ease. Move your focus to your neck and jaw. Allow these areas to relax, letting go of any tension you might be holding there. Feel your neck lengthen and your jaw unclench, your face soft and serene. Finally, bring your attention to your head. Let your scalp relax, your eyes rest gently closed, and your forehead smooth out. Your entire body is now enveloped in a soothing, warm relaxation, ready to drift into the peaceful world of our story. As the first light of dawn filters through the windows, you awaken to the gentle sounds of your human stirring beside you. Their hand reaches out to stroke your soft fur, a silent good morning that makes you purr contentedly. You snuggle into your human for one last moment before you stretch luxuriously, feeling the gentle pull of muscles in your sleek, furry body. The soft bed beneath you cradles you in warmth and comfort, but the promise of a new day draws you to your feet. Together you rise and make your way to the kitchen, where the familiar routine of breakfast unfolds. You pad silently across the room, the cool hardwood floor a pleasant contrast to the lingering warmth of your cozy bed. Your human prepares a meal, their movements deliberate and comforting. They set out a dish of your favorite food and pour themselves a steaming The aromas of breakfast mingle with the salty tang of the ocean breeze wafting through the open window. You eat together in peaceful companionship, your human talking softly to you as they enjoy their breakfast. The warmth of their presence and the comfort of the morning ritual create a perfect start to the day. As they finish their meal and prepare to leave, they give you one last affectionate pat and scratch behind your ears, promising to return soon. You watch them go, feeling a deep sense of contentment and anticipation for their return, ready to spend another day basking in the beauty of your ocean-front home. You leap gracefully onto the wide windowsill, your favorite perch, and gaze out at the breathtaking view of the ocean. The morning sun casts a golden glow over the waves, which dance and sparkle as they kiss the sandy shore. The rhythmic sound of the surf is a soothing backdrop to your thoughts, a constant reminder of the beauty and serenity that surrounds your home. You close your eyes for a moment, breathing in the salty tang of the sea air, which mingles with the faint scent of blooming flowers from the garden below. After a few moments of peaceful contemplation, you make your way through the house, your steps light and deliberate. The house is quiet, filled with the gentle hum of morning. You hop up onto the kitchen counter and nudge open a small window, allowing the fresh breeze to flow in. The scents of the ocean, mingled with the fragrant aroma of breakfast being prepared in nearby houses, create a tantalizing mixture that makes your whiskers twitch with delight. With a graceful leap, you make your way out to the sun-drenched patio, your paws finding the warm, smooth stone that has already begun to heat under the morning sun. You stretch out luxuriously, feeling the warmth seep into your fur and muscles. The sun bathes you in a golden glow, and you close your eyes, content to simply soak in the moment. The sounds of the ocean, the distant calls of seabirds, and the whisper of the breeze through the dune grasses create a symphony of nature that lulls you into a state of perfect relaxation. Time passes in a lazy, unhurried flow. You watch the waves roll in and out, the tides marking the passage of the day. Occasionally, you rise to explore the garden, chasing butterflies and sniffing at the array of flowers that bloom in vibrant colors. The grass beneath your paws is soft and cool, a delightful counterpoint to the warmth of the sun. Every now and then, you find a particularly comfortable spot and settle down, your body curling into a relaxed ball as you drift in and out of pleasant daydreams. As the afternoon wears on, you find your way back to the patio, where you lounge in a sunbeam, the warmth wrapping around you like a soft, comforting blanket. You watch the world go by, the gentle sway of the palm trees, and the occasional flutter of a bird passing overhead. The sound of the ocean remains a constant, soothing presence, a lullaby that keeps you in a state of serene contentment. In the early evening, you sense a familiar change in the air. The light begins to soften, taking on a warm, golden hue, and you know that your human will be home soon. You make your way to the front of the house, where you sit patiently by the door, ears perked for the sound of their arrival. When you hear the familiar footsteps and the jingle of keys, your heart swells with a warm, happy anticipation. The door opens, and there they are, your beloved human, greeting you with a smile and a gentle scratch behind the ears. You purr in response, rubbing against their legs to show your affection. They scoop you up into their arms, and you nuzzle into their embrace, feeling the comfort and security of their presence. Together, you move to the living room, where they settle into a comfortable chair, and you curl up on their lap, feeling their warmth and the steady rhythm of their breathing. As dusk falls and the first stars begin to twinkle in the sky, you both sit quietly, watching the waves and enjoying the peaceful end to the day. The gentle rocking of the chair, the soft murmur of the ocean, and the familiar scent of your human create a perfect cocoon of comfort and love. You feel a deep sense of contentment, knowing you are exactly where you belong. Your human gently pets you, their touch soothing and reassuring. Your eyes grow heavy, and you let yourself sink into the cozy warmth of their lap. The day's adventures and explorations have left you pleasantly tired, ready for a deep, restful sleep. You stretch one last time, feeling your body relax completely, from the tips of your ears to the end of your tail. The sound of the ocean, the scent of the sea air, and the presence of your beloved human lull you into a state of perfect tranquility. As you drift off to sleep, you are enveloped in a cocoon of love and comfort, your body completely relaxed and your mind at peace. You know that tomorrow will bring another beautiful day by the ocean, filled with warmth, adventure, and the joy of simply being a cat in this serene seaside paradise. With a contented sigh, you let go of all thoughts and slip into a deep, restful slumber, your dreams filled with the beauty and wonder of your oceanfront home. Start by focusing on your toes. Wiggle them slightly, then let them relax completely, feeling any tension melt away. Let this sensation of relaxation move up through your feet, ankles, and calves. Your legs grow heavy and warm, sinking into the surface beneath you. Now bring your attention to your thighs and hips. Allow them to soften and release any tightness, feeling the warmth and relaxation spread through your lower body. Next, focus on your abdomen and chest. With each breath, feel your muscles loosen and relax. Imagine a wave of calm moving through your torso, easing away any lingering stress. Let this wave of relaxation flow up into your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands and fingers. Feel your shoulders drop and your arms grow heavy and warm, completely at ease. Move your focus to your neck and jaw. Allow these areas to relax, letting go of any tension you might be holding there. Feel your neck lengthen and your jaw unclench, your face soft and serene. Finally, bring your attention to your head. Let your scalp relax, your eyes rest gently closed, and your forehead smooth out. Your entire body is now enveloped in a soothing, warm relaxation, ready to drift into the peaceful world of our story.